we can see how to download IBM DB2 Genius Hub for the Windows machine. For that, first you have to go to ibm.com/support/fixcentral website, and in the product selector search for Genius Hub. IBM DB2 Genius Hub is listed. Click that. Select the installed version is 1.1.2.0. Select the platform. Currently it is available for the Linux and Windows. So I just choose Windows. We can choose any of these options: Windows, 64-bit, x86 or Windows. I just selecting the Windows 64-bit x86 and I click continue. If you are searching for any APAR or individual fix ID, you can search for that. Otherwise you can browse for fixes. Select that radio button and click continue. Now you can see the list of options. Windows available as a GUI as well as the command line installation. I just select the command line installation. Anything you can select and you can download. I select the second option and click continue. Select the download using your browser, HTTPS, radio button and click continue. It will show the terms and conditions. You just click I agree. Below you have the option IBM DB2 Genius Hub 1.1.2.0 Windows zip file. Click that file. It's a 2.32 GB, so it's getting downloaded. You can see this file. Earlier I have downloaded for GUI build also, so both are available in the here. I'm just extracting it. This zip file got extracted. Go inside the extracted file folder. Go inside that folder. Now open the command prompt. Here you can see the list of files and folders inside the IBM DB2 Genius Hub. Here you can see the setup.bat file. Run that file. You can run it by directly call setup.bat and press enter. Now we can see the welcome message. Welcome to IBM DB2 Genius Hub. Here we have three options. You can do the fresh installation, or you can upgrade from IBM DB2 Intelligence Center to IBM DB2 Genius Hub. Third option is you can upgrade the existing IBM DB2 Data Management Console, I mean DMZ, to IBM DB2 Genius Hub. So here I am doing the fresh installation. So I press 1 and enter. Then it start the installation process. Now it shows the license agreement. So you have to read the license agreement and you have to accept it. Press enter 1 to accept the agreement, 2 to decline the agreement, 3 for print, 4 for reading the non IBM terms, and 99 to go back to the previous screen. So I'm just press 1 and click enter. It will do step by step installation. So now it's asking us to enter the default administrative user ID. I just give the admin as the user ID, and it's asking to enter the password for this. So I entered the password. It's asking us to re-enter the password. Do you want to continue setup with this configuration? Press Y to continue. Now it's starting the servers. This will take little time. So the server is started. Now you can access the website IBM DB2 Genius Hub in this given URL. For HTTP URL, this one. For HTTPS URL is this one. Before you go there, now it's checking the setuping the WSL and Redis after new installation. So this will take a little time. So it's running the WSL. Press enter key to continue. For agentic model requires the system restart to complete the setup. After restart, setup process will automatically resume in 30 seconds to complete the Ubuntu configurations. And agentic model depends on the WSL and Redis, which requires the interactive user sessions to initialize correctly. So now we have to restart the system. Then we have to it automatically starts. Then we have to restart the IBM DB2 Genius Hub. Then we can use it. So let us do. I just close this. I will restart this machine, Windows machine. It automatically opens this command prompt, and it shows the post reboot, continue WSL and Ubuntu settings. Now we have to restart the IBM DB2 Genius Hub. For that, go to the IBM DB2 Genius Hub folder, open the command prompt and go inside the bin directory. Here you can see the stop bat file and start bat file, or you can do the restart bat file. You can run anything. I just first I just stop dot bat. I run the stop dot bat. Now it's stopping the server. Now I start that. I'm just running the start dot bat. This will take 2 to 3 minutes. This process might take 2 to 3 minutes to complete. Please wait. It's starting the server. Now server started. So this is the console URL. You can access the DB2 Genius Hub from this URL. You can now you can log in by using admin credentials. This you gave during the installation process. So we have successfully installed IBM DB2 Genius Hub in the Windows machine. Once you logged in first time, it will show the welcome message and it asks you to configure the repository database. That is the first step. Thank you.